What is up, you guys? Jason J. Everson from Omaha, Nebraska. I do spray paint art. This one's special. It's a half black spectrum, or half black scale, whatever you want to call it, half color scale. 100% spray paint, all brush made sunflower, and you guys, I think it just turned out beautiful. Feedback welcome. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please enjoy. Be kind to one another out there, you guys. Be safe and peace out. Enjoy. See ya.
Hard to show, gets hectic inside.